Welcome back to Health Neighborhood, your source for the latest health and fitness information. Today, we are going to cover everything you need to know about the keto diet. Everyone wants to have a fit body and ideal weight. This will not only boost confidence, but improves overall health and well-being. So, it's not surprising that people continue to look for effective diets, and diet experts continue to develop more diet programs. The keto diet is among the most recommended type of diet. It is considered a very low-carb diet, helping you burn fat more efficiently. Thus, it offers a lot of benefits for health, weight loss, and performance. In this video, you will learn everything about the keto diet that will help you succeed in losing weight and getting the best health benefits. What is the keto diet? The keto diet helps your body in producing small fuel known as ketones, which is also an alternative fuel source your body can use when there is a short supply of blood sugar. If you're following the keto diet, your body will switch the fuel supply to burn fat the entire day. Once your insulin levels decrease, the fat burning will dramatically increase. Through a keto diet, even your stored fats can be quickly burned too. Apart from the apparent benefits of losing weight, you will also experience less hunger, and your body will have a steady energy supply, helping you to stay focused and alert. What to eat? Typically, if you're on a keto diet, your carb intake is limited to 20 to 50 grams per day. You might find it challenging, but there are plenty of delicious and nutritious foods you can eat. Cheese. Are you a cheese lover? Then this is good news for you, since cheese is part of the foods you can eat on a keto diet. All types of cheese contain low carbs and are high in fat, making it perfect for a keto diet. Every ounce of cheddar cheese offers 1 gram of carbs and 7 grams of protein. Eggs. Eggs are considered among the healthiest foods. 1 large egg contains less than a gram of carbs and 6 grams of protein. This food is also good at keeping blood sugar levels stable and increasing the feeling of fullness. Thus, it can modify the shape of LDL, helping you reduce the risk of heart disease. Avocados. Avocados are packed with vitamins and minerals. In every 3.5 ounces of avocado, you will only consume 9 grams of carbs. Based on one study, people who consumed avocados as a part of their diet have experienced an 11% increase in HDL cholesterol and a 22% decrease in LDL cholesterol, which is very good for your heart health. Seafood. Both shellfish and fish are keto-friendly foods, but the total carbs will vary according to the different types of shellfish. For example, every 3.5 ounce serving of clams, you will consume 5 grams of carbs, while mussels provide 7 grams of carbs. Octopus and oysters provide 4 grams of carbs each, and squid provides 3 grams of carbs. Low-carb veggies. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale are low in carbs and calories, but high in vitamin C and minerals. They are also rich in fiber. You can consume a cup of raw spinach, which is equivalent to 1 gram of carbs, while a cup of cooked Brussels sprouts provides 8 grams of carbs. Shirataki noodles. You can add shirataki noodles on your keto diet. This food contains less than a gram of carbs and 5 grams of calories per serving. These noodles are made from glucomannan, which is a type of viscous fiber. You can eat these noodles as a substitute for your favorite regular noodles because they can help you decrease the feeling of hunger while helping you lose weight. Olives. Olives are packed with oleuropein, which provides anti-inflammatory properties and protects your cells from damage. This food also helps in preventing bone loss and decreasing blood pressure. In every 1 ounce serving of olives, you will get 2 grams of fiber. Depending on the size, 7 to 10 olives provides 1 gram of carbs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notifications bell so you can stay on top of our latest content. What to drink? While you are on a keto diet, you might primarily focus on what you are eating. However, considering what you are drinking can add value to your goal. So here is what you need to drink. Water. Water is considered the best drink you can have while you are on a keto diet. so you need to keep a bottle of water near you all the time and stay hydrated throughout the day. Tea. Tea is also a great beverage choice due to low carb levels and it's calorie-free. However, make sure to keep your tea plain and do not add sugar or other sweeteners. This drink is also rich in flavonoids, which can help you improve the functions of your blood vessels. Plain coffee. If you maintain your coffee plain or black, it becomes completely calorie-free. However, some keto dieters prefer adding fat through heavy cream. Nut milk. If drinking tea or coffee is not your thing, you can try cashew, coconut, or almond milk. These kinds of milk contain less than 1 gram of carbs per cup. Make sure to choose the unsweetened varieties. What to avoid? If there are particular foods you need to eat to be successful on your keto diet, there are also certain foods that you need to avoid. You need to altogether avoid foods high in sugar, along with processed foods and starchy foods like potatoes, pasta, rice, and bread. Avoid the following foods so that you can sustain the ketosis. Grains and grain-based foods. You need to avoid consuming these foods, which include cereal, wheat, rice, pasta, corn, granola, and more. Fruits. Be aware that not all fruits are keto-friendly. You need to avoid fruits like oranges, bananas, or apples. Sugar and sugar-sweetened products. Food products like honey, maple syrup, table sugar, sports drinks, and agave should be avoided because they are non-keto friendly. Starch products. This food group includes potatoes, yams, French fries, potato chips, and more. You might find some of your favorite foods on the list, but it is necessary for you to avoid them. What are the benefits of the keto diet? You may find the benefits of the keto diet similar to other low-carb diets, but it's been proven it is more powerful than the others. If you want to experience all the benefits of a keto diet, you need to develop your discipline when it comes to food selection and the drinks you sip. If you undergo a ketogenic diet, what benefits can you expect? Weight loss. If you find it difficult to lose weight or burn all those unnecessary fats in your body, you can try the keto diet. This diet can help you increase the fat-burning ability of your body because it can drop the level of insulin. In return, your body can easily burn fat without the feeling of hunger. Appetite control. With the help of a keto diet, you will be able to control your appetite. While your body is burning fat 24/7, the stored fats in your body can be burned off too. Improved health condition. According to many studies, most of the low-carb diets like keto diet are effective at improving several risk factors for cardiovascular disease like heart disease. These factors include cholesterol profile, LDL levels, and cholesterol levels. Through a keto diet, you can improve your blood sugar level, insulin level, as well as blood pressure. So you can expect that there will be improvements in your weight and waistline, while type 2 diabetes patients can slowly reverse their condition. A calmer stomach. Keto diet also targets the stomach where you can find it calmer. You'll experience fewer cramps, less gas, and pain resulting in improved IBS symptoms. Some keto dieters find a calmer stomach as the top benefit, and you may experience it after 1 or 2 days of the diet. Better mental performance and increased energy. You can use the keto diet to increase your mental performance while increasing your energy level. On a keto diet, your brain does not require dietary carbs because it will be fueled with ketones for the entire day. Thus, as you improve your mental performance, you will be able to enhance your mental clarity, concentration, and focus. It is believed that you can increase physical endurance with the use of a keto diet by improving access to large amounts of energy in the fat stores. This effect is ideal if you are part of competitive sports that require a high level of physical endurance and sustainable strength. When you hear about the low-carb diet, you might always think of losing weight or burning fat. However, apart from weight loss benefits, your overall health condition can also benefit. You have to be careful about what you eat and what you drink. Check the links below in the description to see some of our best weight loss programs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you can stay on top of our latest content. Until next time.